Having the right apps on your device, it means that you will be able to do a lot more with your iPhone. Now, of course, iPhones are all about apps, and these apps that I'm about to show you guys are actually really useful. And what's really cool is that you can actually download all of them for free from the App Store, which is even better, so you don't have to spend any money, and you will get these apps that will actually add a lot more new features to your iPhone, making your life easier and allowing you to do things much easier and faster on daily basis, like this app right here. It is called Pack Check, and what it allows us to do is just go ahead and upload a picture of your suitcase. You take a picture, you upload it to the app, and it will basically give you an estimate of how heavy your suitcase is. So if you want to travel and you want to like add a bunch of items to your suitcase, but you have a limit, of course, to how heavy it could be, you don't have any way to actually measure that, then you can go ahead and just use this app. Just tap on select image right here, and once you have selected the image, you can see it does automatically identify all the items in the suitcase, and it shows you how much they weigh. So you can see right here, it shows you the list of all the items that it has been able to identify, of course, by just scanning the picture that you uploaded. Now you will see everything right here. How much does it weigh approximately, of course, and then you will have the total right here. Now what you can do if you have other items that are maybe underneath the items shown on the picture, you can go ahead and add them manually right here, and just as easy as that, you will have here the total for your suitcase, how much of course it will weigh. Next up is City Guide AI. This app uses AI to give you guides to any city you want to visit. Now, of course, you can use your own location right here, or you can manually place like the name of a city and of an area right there. And then you will have different sections right here. You will have see, which is basically the places that you will have to see in that city, the more popular places and all that stuff. And then you will have the stay, so hotels, maybe Airbnbs and all that, eat, restaurants, and then of course events, basically the events that you need to see on that city or area that you're visiting. You tap the search button right there, and in a few seconds right here you will actually have a list of things, in this case to see. So we want to go with see in this case, so just tap right there, search it, it will basically analyze it for a few seconds and give you the result. And there we go, it took about 40 seconds right there, and now we have basically a list of everything that we need to see if we're just taking a trip to this area. Now what's really cool is that you will also have the history section right here, so anything that you have searched before will be right here, so you don't have to do that again. So everything will be saved, all the lists that you have searched and have actually created before. Next up is Loomi. Now Loomi is a photo and video editor with all the tools you need absolutely for free. So you load any picture or video that you have saved on your camera roll. Once you have done that, you will have all the different tools right here. Like it has hundreds of different filters that you can actually go ahead and apply to your photos or videos, whatever you're actually editing. Once you have done that, you come back and you will have the adjust settings right here, of course. Everything from the brightness to the contrast, you will have the colors here, the different effects, you will have the mixes right there, and the canvas as well. So it's actually really useful. You can add text to your photos, you can add different overlays, different effects, even add frames and all that stuff. So as you can see right here, we have a ton of different tools that you can add, even add photos to another photo or to a video as a picture-in-picture. So it's actually really awesome and absolutely free. Business Card Creator is up next. This one allows you to create business cards for yourself or your business for free, and even share them using the QR code. So here's one that I have created, and you can see right there, it will have the name, all the different info. You can add, of course, your number, your address, your social media. You will have a picture right there that you can add, and you will also have the QR code, which you can actually use to share your business card. And then right here we'll have basically what you can do. You can share it via QR code, you can save it to your photos or add it to your contacts. Now creating one is actually very simple. You tap the plus button and you will have all the different informations you can add right here, from your basic information, your contact, your logo, your social media, and then you will also have different templates you can choose from, like the business one right there. You can see a simple one, modern, minimal, professional, professional, anything that you need will be right here, and you can easily create a beautiful business card for yourself or your business. Battery stats is up next. This one will allow you to know the real battery health of your device. It's actually very simple to use. All you have to do is head on to your settings. You will even have a tutorial right there once you open the app. So head on to your settings, go under privacy and security, scroll all the way down here and go to analytics and improvements. Go to analytics data and scroll down here, and you can see where it says analytics and it has a date after that. You just scroll down to the last one, so it's the latest one. So there we have it. Tap right there and now tap the share button. And if you don't see the app right here, just go ahead and tap on more. It should be somewhere around here. There it is. You tap there, it takes you back into the app and it gives you all the information you need to know regarding your battery health. So you can see right here we have the battery health, the current battery health, and also the cycle count for the device and the current capacity of the battery. Cite Lighter is up next. This one allows you to highlight text on any document or picture that you have. Just like you would do with a marker on a regular book, you can do that with your pictures or documents. So we can go ahead and highlight here anything we want, and we can see it zoomed out right there at the top. So if I just want to highlight this, I can just go ahead and tap on the words and highlight it as easy as that. Now we have the different tools right here. We can crop the image if we want to. We can go ahead and just start over as easy as that. And you will also have an eraser where you can erase anything that you might have highlighted by mistake. You can also go ahead and then switch between different colors for your highlighter. And once you have done all that, you can just go ahead and easily save it to your camera roll. Next up is AI Link Checker. So sometimes just visiting different links on your browser might be dangerous, and you might not want to just basically go to a link that you don't know whether it's safe or not. Well, you will have this app that allows you to just paste the link, and once you have done that, you can just go ahead and then check the link if it's safe. So go ahead, tap right there, tap on check link, and you will have the ability to see all the details, basically a link report right here using this app. So you will have everything that you need to know, and then right here it will say whether it's safe or not. As easy as that. Now what's really cool is that you can also save the links right here, so you will have basically a place for all the links and a search bar to search for the links. Whenever you want to add a link here, just tap the plus button and paste the link. And last but not least is time and date calculator. It allows us to calculate time in many different ways, as you can see right here. You can find time and date. So if I just want to find a time and date from now, so maybe use days, so we can go ahead and add days right there. It will of course show us which time, which date it will be in, like 28 days or 100 days, whatever we want. We can choose a date interval. So from a date to a date, we're gonna go ahead here and pick another date. So just like that, it will show us how many months and days in this case are until that date. Pretty cool. You will have other things like weekdays and weekends. You can go ahead and use the time calculator, the time zones here to basically convert between different time zones. So a ton of tools to easily calculate date and of course time. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 8 apps that you can download for free from the App Store that I think are very useful and will add a lot more features to your iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found the apps helpful. If you did and you want to install any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be right there. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.